Dear students, in the last class I explained you about the causes of Battle of Plassey. There you have understood misuse of despats, mending of forts without permission, black roll tragedy or black room tragedy. And also you understood. So when Siraj-ud-Dowla was attacked the Fort William and he was killed, 123 British army. So angered Robert Clive with a huge army, he will arrive to Bengal. What he'll do? How he fight with the Siraj-ud-Dowla and outcomes of the Battle of Plassey. Today we are going to learn. Robert Clive attracted the rich local likes Manikchand, Omichand, Jagat Seth and others towards him. Who will attract? Robert Clive attracted the rich local kings. Rich means they are the financially, they are the very good rich men and also they are very good businessmen. So he has attracted the Manikchand, Omichand and a Jagat Seth and others towards his side. His side means Robert Clive's side. He was successful in convincing Mir Jafar. He was successful in convincing Mir Jafar, one who was the military head of Siraj-ud-Dowla. Who is the military head of Siraj-ud-Dowla? Mir Jafar is the military head of Siraj-ud-Dowla. He was successful. Who was successful, children? You have to understand Robert Clive. Now we are discussing about Robert Clive. Robert Clive was successful in convincing Mir Jafar, the military head of Siraj-ud-Dowla, stay neutral in the Battle of Plassey. Stay in the battle by offering him the post of Nawab of Bengal. See the mind of Robert Clive. Robert Clive, he was very successful in convincing Mir Jafar. Mir Jafar is the military head of the Siraj-ud-Dowla. What offer he will give? He will give the offer as offering him as a post of Nawab of Bengal. Now who is the Nawab of Bengal? Siraj-ud-Dowla is the Nawab of Bengal. If Mir Jafar support him, if Mir Jafar support him, absolutely what happens? Siraj-ud-Dowla may fail in this battle. He may die in this battle. After that, so he is going to give a Nawab post for the Mir Jafar. So whoever it may be, children, if they get a higher post means they are ready to do anything. The same way Mir Jafar agreed for what offer has given by the Robert Clive. So Robert Clive was successful in convincing Mir Jafar, the military head of the Siraj-ud-Dowla, to be a neutral in this particular Battle of Plassey. Encouraged by these developments, who was encouraged by these developments? Robert Clive was encouraged by these developments. What are the developments? The first side, the rich merchants, the rich locals came to the hand of British. They have supported to the Robert Clive. The second hand, this is a Mir Jafar, who is the military head of the Siraj-ud-Dowla, also supported for the Robert Clive. So Robert Clive, after encouraging by this development, Robert Clive declared war against Siraj-ud-Dowla. Observe, children, Robert Clive, first he made all the adjustments, then he declared the war against Siraj-ud-Dowla. Everything went according to the plan of Clive. Everything went according to the plan of Clive. Siraj-ud-Dowla, who tried to escape from the battle. Which battle? Battle of Plassey. Remember which battle means? Battle of Plassey. Who tried to escape from the Battle of Plassey? Siraj-ud-Dowla, who was trying to escape from the Battle of Plassey, was captured and he was killed in this Battle of Plassey. I hope you understood, children. Robert Clive attracted the rich local likes Manikchand, Omichand, Jagat Seth and others toward him, toward Robert Clive's side. He was successful in convincing Mir Jafar, the military head of the Siraj-ud-Dowla, to be a neutral in this particular battle. So he was offered the post of Nawab of Bengal. Encouraged by this development, which are the development? One side, merchants supported for him, local merchants supported supported him. Other side, Mir Jafar has supported him. Everything went according to the plan of Robert Clive. He declared the war against Siraj-ud-Dawla, and so Siraj-ud-Dawla, who tried to escape from the battle, he was captured and he was killed by the Robert Clive. This is the way Robert Clive has fought against Siraj-ud-Dawla. So as a result, what happened? Now you have learned what is the causes: misuse of dastak, mending of forts without permission, black room tragedy. These three are the main reasons. These are causes of the Battle of Plassey. So now you learned that how Robert Clive has fought in the Battle of Plassey. Now you are going to learn about the outcome of the Battle of Plassey. Outcomes. This war brought out the immorality, lack of unity among the Indian and the greed of the Indian businessman. This war, which war, the Battle of Plassey, has brought out the immorality, lack of unity among the Indians and the greedy of the businessman. See, so the Manikchand, Nomichan, everybody is a businessman, they are the Indians. And the second way, Mir Jafar is also the party of Siraj-ud-Dawla. Instead of supporting their kings, they have started to support for the British. This showed that there is no unity among the Indians in that particular time. The Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal. As the British, Robert Clive has promised Mir Jafar. So as the Robert Clive promised the Mir Jafar, if he is a neutral, so he is going to give a Nawab position. So as he was promised, Mir Jafar has become the Nawab of Bengal. The company gained exclusive right to trade in Bengal. So already you know that. So Robert Clive have won this particular war, and also Bengal came to the control of the British, and also Mir Jafar has become the Nawab. So absolutely the Robert Clive will give the permission for the East Indian Company to trade bindas. We say no, Aram se we say no, the children, like that we can trade in the Bengal. Mir Jafar had to pay rupees 17 crore and 17 lakhs to Siraj-ud-Dawla as a war indemnity for the attack of Fort William. As you know that Fort William, the Siraj-ud-Dawla was attacked to Fort William, and also he was destroyed some of the places, and also he was waged a war with the Robert Clive. As a result, so now instead of Siraj-ud-Dawla, now Mir Jafar is the Nawab. So the British Robert Clive will ask some penalty, some fine of rupees 70 crore, 17 lakhs as a fine rupees from the Mir Jafar, and also so he will declare completely. Some of the paraganas also will be given from the Prantya, we say the provinces also given by the Mir Jafar. In the next further class, I am going to explain you about that in the Battle of Buxar. Again, I will explain it. Again, I will read out children outcomes of a Battle of Plassey. This war brought out the immorality, lack of unity among the Indians, and the greed of an Indian businessman. Mir Jafar became the Nawab of Bengal. The company gained an exclusive right to the trade in the Bengal. Mir Jafar had to pay a rupees 17 crore and 17 lakhs to Siraj-ud-Dawla as a war indemnity for the attack of Fort William. I hope you understood the causes. So Siraj-ud-Dawla, so that misuse of dastaks, melting of forts without permission, black room tragedy, how Robert Clive has taken the help of the rich merchants as also Mir Jafar, and how he killed the Siraj-ud-Dawla, and what is the outcome of the Battle of Plassey, you have understood. So if any doubt, anything, again I want to explain, you can ask me in the WhatsApp, so I'll clarify your doubt children. I hope everybody, all the students you have understood. Thank you children.